Welcome to another episode in our affiliate marketing tutorial series. Tired of guessing which of your affiliate links are actually making money? Let's fix that by showing you the best link tracking tools affiliate marketers should be using in 2025. Top link tracking tools for affiliate marketers, free and paid. Tracking is essential. If you're not tracking clicks, conversions, and traffic sources, you're flying blind. With the right tools, you can find what's working, what's wasting time, and how to scale smart. Here are the top tools, free and paid, that affiliate pros rely on. Free tools. Bitly, simple link shortener with basic click tracking, great for beginners or social links. Pretty Links, WordPress plugin, Cloak affiliate links, track clicks, and manage everything from your dashboard. Google Analytics, plus UTM parameters, add UTM tags to your links to track where clicks are coming from inside GA. Free but powerful if used right. Paid tools. ClickMagick, advanced tracking with split testing, geo-targeting, bot filtering, and conversion tracking. Ideal for affiliates running paid ads. Volume, enterprise-level tracking for media buyers and heavy affiliates. Powerful but pricey. Thirsty Affiliates, Pro, more features than the free version, including auto-linking, reports, and category management. Why this matters? Tracking shows you which blog posts convert best, what traffic sources bring revenue, how do different offers compare. Want a step-by-step system? Head over to website.fm. It walks you through choosing topics, creating content, and building a profitable affiliate site from scratch. Link in description box below. If you found this helpful, hit like, follow for more affiliate marketing tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.